Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards here. We have letter, dog, and tower. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing some changes. Something is changing. Maybe in your work, you may see a change of place of work, a change of job for you. Maybe you are planning for it and something has come up newly, some new job offer, and you're taking that up. Maybe you are moving to a different city or a state. It may be your energy or this person you love. It may be their energy here, Capricorn. And if you are having some doubts on this person, maybe in this relationship, whether they are loyal to you, whether they are someone you can rely on, with these cards, I can say that they are someone really loyal, trustworthy. So, though they are moving away from you or you are moving away from them, they will be dedicated to you. They will be devoted to this love. And you can trust this person, Capricorn. And Capricorn, I also see that there is something good coming your way. Maybe it may be an opportunity of your lifetime. That may be the reason you are moving away. You do not want to move away from this person. You love them. You have a beautiful relationship. But there is something good, something you need to do. That may be the reason you are moving away, maybe to use this opportunity that is reaching you today. Maybe a new job offer or a new business in a different place. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says lady. So with this card, I can see that this person is really interested in you. They want you and they are devoted. They are someone you can trust. And maybe this person is also thinking just like you, maybe thinking of commitment or marriage. If you are the one moving away from this person, they may have some doubts about you, but things are clearing up between you both, guys. And this person is really someone attractive, and you both share that mutual love, respect, and caring for each other. And this relationship is taking a positive turn. Maybe it is moving towards a beautiful, intimate, passionate relationship, a romantic relationship is what I see. And this person loves you and they want you and they can be trusted, Capricorn. If you are thinking, if you have some doubts about this person, there is no need for doubt, guys. And this is true love. That is what I see. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. it smiles. So, in your work situation, there are people you cannot trust. They may act as your friend or a colleague, good colleague, trying to, what to say, behave like they are helping you. But in truth, they are using your skills and talents to achieve something. So you need to be really careful with this person. If you know who it is better you avoid them, guys, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good. Try to be good and try to be uh, that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether our soul, this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.